Hey guys, Robert over at Bloomington Acura. Today I'm going to show you two MDX Type S Advances. I know I've shown this vehicle a few times, but I do have two different colors today here. So I've got a platinum white pearl with red interior that I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you the performance red pearl with the ebony interior. Now this will just be a quick walk around video of both of these cars just so you guys can see kind of some of the styling differences and just see those different colors. I've got full walkthrough videos, so check those out if you wanted to see one of those. Alrighty, so starting off, here is the platinum white pearl with the red interior. Now, just so you can see kind of a side by side, if I can get these both in the same angle. So there's the platinum white next to the performance red. And like I said, this one has the red interior. Now, as you know, on the Type S Advances, they do have these black, the gloss black around the wheels. It's got the gloss black with machine finish on the wheels. Because it is a Type S Advance and just an MDX in general, obviously you got your power folding mirrors, roof rails along the top as well. A lot of people don't realize, but you do get black roof rails, so you can see on both of those vehicles there. We've got the black roof rails. Coming around to the back. And just so you guys know, this little sticker right here, this is something that we take off. That's just telling you that you've got the kick function access for the tailgate. So since we're back here, just so you can see with the red versus the black interior, the back of the car is still black, the back of your seats are still black, but there you can get, you know, the outline of that red interior. Moving around to the other side, you can see we've got our yellow signals there. Move this out of the way for you guys. So there's our front seats. Door panels have red as well, and then you do have the wood trim here on the sides. We open up the back door for you. So back seats also all red. They do have this really nice plastic that they put on the back of the seats here. That way, if you've got any kids or anything like that, you don't have to worry about them potentially tearing the seat. It's easy to clean and it's easy to replace if you had to do so. Once again, red over here. And then I'll try and show you just so you can see. I know it's terrible lighting, guys, I apologize, but back seats as well will be all red as well. Let's give you guys one good last view. So like I said, this is the platinum white pearl with the red interior. We move to the side. Performance red, this is the same red as I had on that A-Spec MDX that I did about a week or so ago. Like I said in that video, this color is definitely, you know, a little bit darker in person. And one other thing I forgot to mention on the Type S. So the Type S models get this little front splitter along the bottom. Obviously, they've got the different functional air vents over here, whereas on the regular MDXs, like those ones back there, they don't have a functional vent there. But the grille, besides saying Type S and having the like the hollowed out diamond pentagon shapes, you do get the paint match grille surround. So normally this portion right over here would be gloss black on other MDXs, but on the Type S, you can see they do a paint match, which I really like the way that that looks. The red matches really nicely with your red Brembo brakes on there. And then we can go ahead and show you the back just so you have that comparison with the black versus the red leather interior. So here you can see everything is black. One thing that you can't see, need to get a light, is the stitching on the seats for the black interior is red, and on the red interior, the stitching would be black. So here you can see the Ebony. I say black, it's Ebony is the technical term for Acura. And we'll see if you guys can see it a little bit. I apologize, it's tough, but red stitching all throughout the seat and all along the bottom as well. You got the black with the red stitching on the dashboard and then also on your door panel. And then in the back of the car, same thing, all black everything, black back seats, and you can kind of see it there a little bit. There's your red stitching, so it looks really, really pretty. And these seats, I don't know if there's really any big differences besides the stitching pattern, but these seats are just so incredibly comfortable. So if you guys have a chance to check one out, or if you've purchased one yourself, let me know your thoughts on the seats. I love them. I think they're fantastic. You can see we've got headlights. Fog lights are down below, also following the jewel eye pattern. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 jewel eyes. And then up here you got 1, 2, 3, 4 jewel eyes with your daytime running lights and your turn lights all in there. So performance red pearl, and then platinum white pearl. Alrighty guys, well thanks for checking out these two cars with me. If you have any questions or if you want any videos going over anything specific on the car, let me know. I'd be happy to make them. Pretty much every car I've shown you guys on the channel is a sold car coming in, just with the market and how crazy things are. So let me know if I can't do it right away. I will get to it, I promise. It just takes me a little bit of time sometimes. And as always, if you like this video, please subscribe, thumbs up, like, comment. We all know the saying. But it does help me out. I do appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next video.